Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to calculate your Cowrywise mutual funds return. Now to calculate your returns on the Cowrywise mutual funds, you must first identify your fund type. If it's the conservative funds like money market funds, calculate daily, prorated returns based on an annualized percentage yield. Moderate to aggressive funds like equity or bond funds calculate returns using capital gains based on changes to the net asset value per unit. You can also track your exact real-time accurate earnings on the Cowrywise app dashboard by tapping the View Earns icon inside your plan. So for whatever plan you have under here, under the invest, you should see a View Earnings icon. For me, it's not there, but you should see it because you've invested. Now, to calculate the conservative money market fund returns, money market mutual funds offer a stable annual percentage rate. Your returns occur daily on your available balance and are compiled for payout quarterly. Now, to find out how much you earn every day using the interest formula digitally by yourself, you just do daily returns equal to principal amount times annual interest rate all over 365. To calculate the moderate and aggressive fund returns, the moderate and aggressive fund returns do not use a fixed annual percentage. Instead, they fluctuate based on the market price of the fund unit. So, your return is determined by the growth of the fund's unit price from the time you purchased it. So, the return percentage can also be calculated like this. Return percent equals to current unit price minus purchase unit price all over purchase unit price times 100. Now, you can also generate a exact breakdown of your estimated returns or see how to use the automated Cowrywise interest tool. There's an automated Cowrywise interest tool that can help you just do this entire calculation without having to do it manually by yourself. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching.